How to contact Turo Support. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can contact Turo Support. So how do you go about it? The first step is to log in into your Turo account, just like I've done here. And once you are logged in, move to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon, then click on it. By clicking on it, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see options like favorite, trips, inbox, profile, account, become a host, contact support. So click on that. So by clicking contact support, you'll be taken to the support page. So all you need to do is to wait for the page to load. Once the help page has loaded, you can now see the help center where you can search for articles related to concerns, to questions that you might have. And there are two categories here. By moving to the left side, you see two categories for guests and for hosts. For guests means those trying to rent a car, and for hosts are for those that have listed their car for rentage. So select the category you fall under. Then you can go ahead to check out articles addressing your questions already. But if you do not want to check out articles, you can just move to the bottom right corner where you can see the contact us option, and then a box where you can chat with a digital assistant will be displayed, and then you can go ahead to ask your question. All right, so that is it. This is how you can contact Turo's support. Thank you for watching and have a good day.